Hi Glow Gang, welcome to my nighttime routine. My name is Mars and this is Goomba, and today I'm going to be showing you how I take care of my skin after a long day. I do have hyperpigmentation, but I have been seeing a huge difference, and I'm going to tell you guys later on, so stick around, which product has been helping my hyperpigmentation. But let's get into the cleansing. So I have makeup on, so I want to double cleanse so that I can really just break down all this makeup and sweat and oil that's built up today. I'm going to be using the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm, and I'm just going to be taking some of it, putting it into my palm, like this looks like on my palm, and just rubbing it so I can really break it down. It breaks down very easy, and it also has enzymes in it, and enzyme is an amazing exfoliator, so you want to be gentle with exfoliators on your skin and just kind of just like rub it in circles. So my makeup looks rubbed off, so let me go rinse this off and I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna go into my second cleanser. I am going to be using Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I love this cleanser. It's so great for sensitive skin. It is gentle. It is a water-based cleanser, and it is just, it smells like heaven, and I just love it. Get that neck, girl, get that neck. I'm gonna go wash my face now. So this is my skin immediately after using the Blueberry Bounce cleanser. I'm gonna pat my face dry right now. I am going to be using the Watermelon Glow toner, and it has PHA and BHA, which is amazing for pore tightening. So I just add some onto my palm like that. I just rub it into my hands and I pat it in. And I have not been breaking out, and I really think it's because of this toner that I switched to. I'm going to be using the Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream, but I'm going to mix a little bit of the Pineapple C Serum, and this has a brightening agent to it. Ooh, okay, so we're going to just use like nickel size of moisturizer. I'm actually going to put it on my palm because I have to rub it into my face, and I'm gonna put 2 drops. So we're just gonna dab that in because there is serum in it, so I just wanna make sure it really absorbs into my skin. I feel like I definitely see them fading. The discoloration on my face is fading. I just noticed a difference. Now for my final product that I'm going to be putting on is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Yes. The bottles and the packaging and everything is just so cute for this brand. Like, so I'm gonna put some in my hands. It's a very beautiful texture. Like, this is just fantastic. It absorbs very quickly. Look at that glow. My skin after using all of these products. But that is my nighttime routine using all of Glow Recipes products. I really hope you guys learned something from this. I hope you all have an amazing night. I have to go because my dog wants to cuddle and sleep with me. So that is all for today.